everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Shawna Paterson and I work at an interior design firm as a designer and junior account manager. I've had some requests to do a video like this in the past, so I thought I'd take you guys along with me and show you my authentic workday at an interior design firm. A lot of the work that I do is at a computer, so the majority of my day is spent working at my desk. And as soon as I get to work in the mornings, the first thing I always do is check my emails from the various accounts that I manage and create a to-do list for the rest of my day. Today I spent a large portion of my day checking architectural working drawing sets. A drafter or designer will do a full working drawing set on AutoCAD of a store we were building or renovating, and then those drawings will go through a process of various different checks and then onto an account manager like myself for a secondary check before the drawings are released to clients. By early afternoon, it is time for lunch. I usually bring a lunch to work, but I thought I'd take you guys out to the city today as I had to run a quick errand to grab a card from Rexall, and then I picked up some sushi from my favorite spot. Then I just brought my lunch back to the office and ate with some coworkers. Thought I'd give you guys a little outfit of the day. My office is fairly casual, which is nice, and it was snowing out today, so I keep these slides on my desk to change into when I'm at work. The rest of my day is filled with checking more drawings and managing my accounts and completing tasks to make sure all our designs are rolled out smoothly. Sometimes I'll have to check millwork drawings, review mechanical and electrical drawings, and coordinate with our vendors on each project to make sure all the equipment and furniture is in order, request and review shop drawings for different vendors such as artwork, graphics, and signage. About mid-afternoon, I'll head over to the lunchroom to grab a snack. My workplace is awesome and provides us with breakfast foods and snacks and a fancy little coffee machine. I usually go for a French vanilla or a cafe mocha because I'm not really a huge coffee drinker. Now here's a small little tour of my desk. I got my marble and gold organizers from HomeSense, and my Baba gave me that little African violet in the striped pot to help me spruce up my desk a little bit. That pretty much sums up a typical workday for me in short. Now it's time for me to head home. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Make sure to check out my other videos on my channel as well as the ones I posted about interior design. Thanks so much for watching, and make sure to subscribe if you'd like to see more videos from me in the future, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!